This geospatial community is working very hardly, and still we are having so much gap over there between the suppliers, manufacturers, and surveyors, and the developers, and even surveyors. So they are still using the old technology, as you said on your contents that you are selling LiDAR technology equipments. So like 3D scanners, where we can do so much high level job within a short time, and within a less experience of the surveyors, we can collect several layers. How we can do to deliver this technology, or to make ready the companies to adapt this technology for the safety of the few people, for adding the values to the community of the surveyors?
Look, till now, all of the companies and the surveying services companies are stuck with the same equipments, the old total stations, the old GPS and OTK systems. They don't know, or if they know, they don't believe in the scanning system, the scanning instrument, even if it's a station scanning or a LiDAR scanning. They should see it. They should try to understand how much it could make it easier for them. For now, if any surveyor want to measure, for example, a private villa, it will take him a couple of hours to make a topographic map under 44 degrees temperature like today.
Yeah,
it's a very hard work.
Definitely, yeah.
So with a LiDAR scanner, he can do such a work like this with 20 minutes.